Hey everybody, Jason here, Swift Laboratory. Today I'm going to talk to you about installing your Decaleur. So you've got your new Ozette bag, you've installed your rack and your Decaleur to your bicycle. Now let's talk about installing your Decaleur to your bag. Mark the holes of your Decaleur. Keep in mind some Decaleurs are different, so marking the holes is a little different. Now you can see that I've got markings so my Decaleur is going to be just in the right spot. There's two different methods you can use for putting holes in your bag for your Decaleur. You can simply use a drill, or you can use a hot soldering iron to melt the holes. If you do that, keep in mind that your soldering iron is not going to like soldering afterwards. Instead of going through all the layers of fabric, if you just go through the outer layer and the stiffener on the inside, then you can preserve this liner piece as an extra pocket. Now that we've got our Decaleur on, we're ready to roll.